So hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to add payment method on Clickbank. So first of all, open any web browser and then search for Clickbank. Now click on the first link and click on login. Now you just have to fill up your username and password. And now guys, after transferring on our dashboard, you guys will have to click on accounts. Now click on your nickname. So guys, after getting on this page, choose account settings and now scroll down till the last. And guys, you'll see this option right here called payment information. Now you just have to click on this edit button. And now guys, you just have to check your information that if your mailing address is correct or not, and you can select your payment threshold by setting whichever amount you want to get. And then you can also choose your payment method that you want in check mode or in direct deposit. And you can also select your payment frequency, which is they have two options. The first one is weekly and the second one is in every 2 weeks. So guys, after doing all of this, you just have to click on save changes and you are good to go. So that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for more future videos.